born and raised in Montgomery County. I've lived here for 42 years, and I lived in Rockville and Gaithersburg. I was a teacher for MCPS for 17 years, and I've been covering news in the county for about a decade. There's a lot more going on now, and we need more ways to get around the county.
I ride a bus, but I hate waiting. And it would be nice to know that if I miss my bus, there's another one coming up in a few minutes.
I'm a business owner in Montgomery County. I have 450 employees overall, about 170 in Montgomery County. With access to the Flash bus system, it would allow our employees more time with friends and family, less time waiting for the bus.
I gave up driving last year because I don't feel like it's safe. Seniors, usually you get slower and you have to know your limitations to be safe with other people. So that's my main concern. And transportation is very easy because you can go anywhere with a public bus.
Meet Flash, Montgomery County's Bus Rapid Transit. Bus Rapid Transit, also known as BRT, is a national movement of a different type of transit service that's faster, more reliable, and convenient with more frequent service. BRT operates much like light rail, stopping at each stop. Dedicated bus lanes minimize traffic delays, and buses are given priority at traffic signals. Buses arrive every 15 minutes or less. Modern, covered stations are further apart and show real-time bus arrivals. Montgomery County has a plan for a Flash BRT network on 8 corridors spanning 100 miles with 100 stops. Flash BRT will form a network that integrates with Metro Rail and will connect Montgomery County residents to destinations faster and more efficiently. Flash BRT will have quiet, zero-emission buses for better air quality, enhances safety, and creates convenient, walkable, bikeable connections.
I'm a capital projects manager with the Montgomery County Department of Transportation. Montgomery County is expected to grow in population by about 25% in the next 25 years. We currently have a little over 1 million residents, and that's expected to increase to 1.25 million by 2050. We also expect employment in the county to increase by 30% over that same period. So as a result, we have a lot more people who are going to be trying to get around the county. The Flash bus will allow people to get around the county without having to sit in that traffic and without having to resort to using their own cars.
It would be great to save money on gas and parking. Plus, riding a bus is easier than driving. I can study, catch up with my friend.
The population has doubled since I've been in Montgomery County, and so has development, and there's not much room for new roads. So I think we got to figure out ways to increase the ways we can get places. If there was another option, a faster bus that I would be able to get on, I would definitely take it.